Hey everyone, this is Katrina, the owner of COS Marketing Agency, and today we are going to talk about drywall industry marketing, specifically AI and how that factors into SEO, specifically for drywall related businesses and drywall contractors. Now, if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we make a post, which is nearly every single day. Now, besides drywall, we go into lots of different surface-based businesses. And just a quick background on us, we've been around for over 8 years as a company, and I myself have been in the industry for over 12 years now. So if you want some expert insight, make sure you hit that follow button and that notification bell. All right, let's get right into it. So drywall contractors and wall service companies are facing a major shift in how customers find and choose local providers. AI has changed the game. AI-powered search is now reshaping the entire digital landscape, and if you want to stay visible, attract more high-value clients, book more jobs, etc., you need to understand how AI systems are going to interpret your business. Today's customers want proof of quality. They just don't want to make any assumptions. Seeing is believing, right? They want to see clean repairs, smooth finishes, texture work, and real project results before they even pick up the phone. And now AI-powered search tools like Google's AI Overview, for example, and SGE are using that information to decide which drywall companies are going to appear first. AI Overview scan your website and extract the clearest, most structured information based on what it sees on your site. If your drywall services aren't formatted cleanly, AI may skip them entirely. SGE, or Google Search Generative Experience,